Wow, here we have everyone's favourite 2003 Toyota Prado GXL turbo diesel automatic. Travelled 182,000 Ks. What a stunning car. Alloy nudge bar, driving lights, alloy wheels, side steps, roof rails. Inside, very tidy. Upgraded sound system. Start her up. 182,000 diesel kilometres. Has got low range, of course, being a Toyota Prado. Couple of little cracks on the dash. Pretty standard on Toyota Prados. But a decent car. Low kilometres. Turbo diesel. Available here at Country Wholesale Group. cwg.net.au. You can get all your Toyota Prados, RAV4s, Land Cruisers. Plenty of room in the back for the whole family. What a great looking car. Toyota Prado GXL Turbo Diesel Auto in a fantastic price range. Heavy duty tow pack. Got the extra seats for the whole family in the rear. And certainly plenty of room for your luggage. Where do you get it? cwg.net.au, 15 Urella Road in Port Macquarie. Come and check out this Toyota Prado GXL automatic turbo diesel. Have a test drive. You'll be more than impressed, and we will look after you.